Cloudshot streamlines the process of running commands on your EC2 instances, saving you from the usual hassle. Normally, you'd need to go through several steps: locating the IP address or alias of the instance, finding the correct SSH key or RDP credentials, accessing the instance, opening the command prompt, and then running your command. But with Cloudshot, you can skip all of that. It's especially useful for tasks that require running specific commands across multiple instances. For example, if you need to check storage on 50 EC2 instances and view a consolidated summary, Cloudshot makes it much easier and faster than doing it manually. So let's start to execute a command on an EC2 instances. Firstly, select the instances and right-click on it. You'll see the Cloudshot AWS option. Click on it, and then select the Execute Command option. A pop-up screen will appear where you can enter any EC2 command. After entering the command, click Deploy to AWS. Here, we're entering the dfh command. The dfh command displays the space used and available for all mounted file systems. The command may take a little time to execute. When the output is ready, you'll receive a notification. Next, go to the notification panel to check the command execution status. Once the command execution status shows success, the output of the command execution will be displayed. Here, the output displays the space used and available for all mounted file systems. Let's say you have 50 EC2 instances on which you need to check something. With Cloudshot, you can do this in less than a minute. Now, let's execute another command on the EC2 instances. Here is the shortcut button for executing a command. Click on it. Just repeat the process. Enter any command to execute. Here, we'll use the pwd command, then click Deploy to AWS. The pwd command is used to display the full path name of your current directory. Once the command is executed, you'll receive a notification. Then, go to the notification panel to check the output of the executed command. You can copy the output of the executed command by clicking on the copy icon. Thank you for watching.